What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have this interesting question that says that find the value of k given that 5 to the power of k minus 5 is equal to 50. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the property of indices to the left hand side. The property of indices that says that when I have a to the power of b minus c, this is equal to a to the power of b all over a to the power of c. So writing this like this, we have 5 to the power of k all over 5 to the power of 5. Very good. And this is equal to 50. 50 is the same as 25 times 2. Very good. Now our next step will be for us to cross multiply. So I can just put all over 1 here. So when I cross multiply, I'm going to be having 5 to the power of k times 1 gives 5 to the power of k. This will be 5 to the power of 5 times what I have here. That is 5 to the power of 5 times 25. 25 is the same as 5 squared. And then times 2. Very good. Now we're going to be applying the property of indices here that says that when I have a to the power of b times a to the power of c, this is equal to, as long as the bases are the same, we can take the base, which is a, and add up the powers, which is b plus c. So this becomes 5 to the power of k equal to, now the bases here are the same, so I'll just write down the base and I'll add the powers. 5 plus 2 is actually 7. And then times 2. Very good. Now, since the unknown is an exponent, and in order to bring it down, we have to take the log of both sides. But I have a base of 5 here. That means I'll be taking the log base 5 of both sides. So the log base 5 of 5 to the power of k, this is equal to log base 5 of the right hand side, which is 5 to the power of 7 times 2. Very good. Now apply the property of logarithm to what we have here that says that when I have the log of, for example, a times b, this can be written as log of a plus the log of b. Very good. So this expression is now simplified into, we have the left hand side as a log base 5 of 5 to the power of k to be equal to, now the right hand side written in this form will be log base 5 of 5 to the power of 7 plus log base 5 of 2. Very good. Now let's apply the property of logarithm once more that says that when I have the log of a to the power of p, in order to bring down this power or exponent, this will be p times the log of a. And that is what we're going to be applying here and here. So this expression now becomes k times the log of log base 5 of 5 equal to, the same thing here, 7 times the log of log base 5 and then plus log base 5 of 2. Very good. Now lastly, the property of logarithm says that when I have the log base a of a, so long as what I have here and what I have here are the same, this is equal to 1. And this is what is happening here. So the number here and the number here are the same. The same thing here. That means this expression is 1. And this is also 1. So k times 1 is k. This is equal to 7 times 1 is 7. And then plus log base 5 of 2. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, Until next time, take care.